The topic I'm going to discuss is role of insurance agent and the role of insurance in economy. So before starting the topic, we need to discuss the basic meaning of insurance agents. There are two words, that is insurance and the second one is agent. So insurance agent are the specialized persons who provide their clients a proper information and crystal clear information related to the insurance policies that are used to protect them against any kind of risk, any kind of uncertainty, or any kind of events. Those events may be such as illness, any kind of damage, theft, or death. These all are the uncertain events in which the insurance agent provide the security basis to the number of clients. The basic and primary objective of any insurance agent is to sell their particular number of insurance policies that will match the requirement of the client. Whatever the requirement, whatever the basic wants of the client, those needs and wants of the clients are satisfied through the middleman that is known as agent. Agent provide proper and accurate information to the number of clients through which the clients can get their insurance policies according to their needs and wants. So the next topic and the main topic we are going to discuss is the roles and functions of insurance agent. There are many agents, or we can say that insurance agent, who perform the basic functions and various kind of duties for providing the information to the client. The very first point it includes, it take the details of the client's requirements, that is understanding it, and suggest them to appropriate insurance plans to the number of clients. So for forming a particular contract or for the formation of a particular plans and policies, there are two parties that involves. The very first one is the client and the second one is the insurance company. The role of insurance agent in this is that client provide the basic information to the number of clients and understand what actually the client requires. Then the agent suggests the proper information related to the plans and policy and suggest them to take up the appropriate insurance plan to the benefit of client. The second one is the calculation of premium detail. If a if a proper project is formed, if a proper plans are formed and a contract is formed, then for starting up these plans and policies, a proper amount of premium is paid by the number of individual or client who opt or who go through for any kind of insurance policy. A particular amount of money is paid after a particular period of time, say after a particular 1 month. That particular amount is paid to the insurance company for the sake of policy adapted by the number of clients. That particular amount is known as premium. So the calculation of premium and the detail of premium and the discussion of amount of premium is paid by the client. These all information are also provided by the insurance agents to the number of clients. According to the next point, that is attended programs, seminars, and meetings related to the field. Most of the insurance agents wants to update their knowledge. That for updating their knowledge, they need to attend various kind of programs, various kind of seminars, various kinds of meetings that is related to their fields. If they got the proper information related to their fields, they learn new techniques and new things about the products and services that are provided by the insurance company to the number of clients. So these are some basic features that are used by the insurance agent for providing the proper information to the number of clients. According to the next point, that is call client and policy holder to explain and deliver the insurance policy, to modify the beneficiary if asked, and to estimate the insurance plans and recommended alterations or additions. So whenever a policy is framed between the two parties, that is client and the company, that is the insurance company, the policyholder explain and deliver all the plans and policy related to the insurance plans, and they also modify some beneficiaries that are involved with the concept of insurance policy. And insurance agents must estimate what are the future insurance plans and what are the various alternatives that are available or related with the plans that are adopted by the number of clients. So any kind of additional information, any kind of additional plans and the number of alternatives must be provided by the agents to the number of clients related to the insurance plans. Next one is the monitor insurance claims and make sure that they have settled rightfully for both the parties, that is the insurer and the client. Basically, insurance agents act as a middleman between the client and the insurance company. So, insurance agent basically monitors all the insurance claims and make sure that they can settle down both the claim amount for the purpose of both the parties involved in the contract, that is the insurer and the second one is client. What kind of information is related, any kind of alteration is suggested, any kind of claims that should be monitored, all these activities are performed by the insurance agent on the behalf of insurer, and the second party is the client. Next point is it helps in discuss or any kind of information with the number of clients, that what needs to be provided and receive information when the clients are made toward the insurance policies. Whenever the policy is framed and whenever the contract is framed, the basic information is shared with the number of clients, that what are the terms and conditions that are involved in the formation of insurance policy. Insurance agent receive the information from the number of clients and provide the basic information to the clients who opt with the new and latest insurance policies. So these are some roles and functions of insurance agents, which helps in providing the basic information to the number of clients and act as a middleman between the client and insurance company. The next topic we are going to discuss is the role of insurance in economy. So, what is the basic role? What are the importance of insurance in the formation or building up the economy? The very first point is the insurance provides safety and security. So from these kind of words, that is safety and security, we comprises that insurance must provide all the matters and all the information and all the needs that actually client wants, that is safety and any kind of security regarding the loss occur within the organization or any firm. Insurance always provide the financial support and decrease the danger in the economic and social life. Whenever an individual opt or go through for any kind of insurance policy, they basically provide the facility that is related to the financial support. That is, the particular amount is given to the particular individual who is suffering from any danger or any kind of loss in the organization. The proper amount is deducted by the insurance company and that particular amount is given from the recovering of that particular loss. As we know that there is always a fear of sudden loss, insurance also provide a cover against any sudden loss. Whenever any person or individual run his or her own organization for performing the activity, they always fear for a sudden kind of loss. So from recovering from that particular kind of loss, they go through for an insurance policy or opt a particular type of insurance policy through which they can recover from that particular loss if in future they are in some danger or they are suffering from some loss. So here is an example that we can see that in the case of life insurance, financial assistance or guarantee is provided to the family of the insured on his death. If a particular person is opt with an insurance policy, that is the life insurance policy. So after the death of that particular person, the life insurance financial assistance is provided to the nominee of the family. That is, a guarantee is provided that after a death of the particular person, the proper financial amount is provided to to his family. According to the second point, that is the insurance make financial resources. So as in economic category, insurance, which is also a part of the financial system. If we're talking about the concept of insurance, it includes the basic amount of claims and basic amount of premium that is paid by the particular client to the insurance company. So it relates with the financial system and it is also a part of financial system because of the monetary transactions are also involved in insurance concept. So it is basically the foundation and utilization process of targeting the financial funds to establishing to eliminate the damage from the certain accident. If in any organization while performing the various kind of activities, if any damage or any uncertain activity is happened, then the amount in the form of a finance or financial resources is paid by the insurance company to the particular person in the case of emergency or in the case of accident to eliminate the particular kind of damage or any kind of loss. So it helps in providing the financial support to the particular citizen in the case of accidents that is concerned with their private lives. In the concept of insurance that is related with the financial resources, the one of the main role or one of the major role of insurance in the economy, it helps in generating the financial resources by collecting the number of insurance premium. Most of the financial activities and transactions are also involved in the insurance policy concept because the client pays out the particular amount of premium after a particular period of time, and that particular amount of premium is paid in the form of finance. So it is the one of the main and important role of insurance in the place of economy that it generates a sufficient amount of financial resources. How we can generate the financial resources? By collecting the particular amount of insurance premium from the particular client who want to opt the insurance policy for recovering from any kind of loss in future. According to the next point, that these funds are further investments in the government securities and stocks, and it is the process that helps in increasing the development of economy for each and every country. If the financial resources are utilized effectively by each of the organization or each of the company, that after receiving the particular amount of premium from the particular client, those amount of premium which are in the sufficient amount are to be invested in the number of government securities and in the form of stocks. By investing the particular amount in the government securities and another one is the stock, it helps in increasing the development of country. According to the next point, that is increase the insurance savings. It is one of the main role of insurance is that it encourages the people's savings. We also know that life insurance is the process. If we took an example, that is insurance company providing the insurance that is related to the life insurance. Any client or individual who is opted with this kind of policy needs to pay the particular amount of premium after a particular period of time, and that payment of regular premium is helps in increasing the people's savings because they pay the particular amount of premium to the insurance company, and it helps in further investment of the money in the right place, which gives benefit in future whenever the particular amount is needed in the case of sufferance, any kind of loss or any kind of damage. It also helps in developing the activity that is creation of habits of saving of money by paying a particular amount of premium. If a person is opted with the insurance policy, the particular amount is paid after a particular period of month. It helps in creating and developing the habit between an individual, that it helps in saving the money by providing and by paying the particular amount of premium to the insurance company. So the particular amount that is insured is to get the lump sum amount at the maturity of the contract. Thus, the life insurance encourages saving. Whatever the amount of premium is paid by the particular client, they definitely get the particular amount, that is the lump sum amount, when the contract is matured. Thus, life insurance, it helps in encouraging the client to save the particular amount of money by paying the particular amount of premium after a certain period of time. And at the end of the contract, when the contract gets matured, the client gets the lump sum amount. The next one is the insurance spreads risk. According to the very first point, the insurance sector is susceptible to the systematic risk generated in other parts of the financial sector. So, while providing the insurance policy, the insurance agent provide the proper information to the number of clients that they can opt with the accurate insurance policy, which helps in spreading the risk and recover from that particular risk in the efficient number period of time. For the most of the classes of insurance, that is, there is a very little evidence of insurance either generating or amplifying the systematic risk within the financial system itself or in the real economy. While we are talking about the insurance policies and number of plans, there are very few or little evidences of insurance that helps in generating or creating any kind of systematic risk which is related with the financial system or in the real life economy. Whatever the terms and policies are adapted by the number of clients, that policy helps in spreading out the risk and recover from that risk after a particular period of time whenever they are suffering from any danger or any kind of risk. Insurance spread risk may involve that insurance always helps in protecting the client from any kind of loss or any kind of damage or any kind of danger. All of the clients knows that if they are performing a particular activity, they are in danger over the occurrence of activity. For this reason, that a particular person who wants to insure his or her property, that needs to pay the particular amount of insurance to the insurance company. So the property must be guaranteed by the insurance company. Whatever the property a person want to get insured, the property must be guaranteed by the insurance company. So whenever the loss is occurrence or whenever any kind of danger is occurrence, the particular amount is compensated out of the funds of the insurer. Whatever the amount of premium is paid by the particular client, from that premium amount, the loss of occurrence is to be compensated and that loss must be recovered. So with this process, insurance helps in spreading the risk in life. So if we're talking about, in addition, the more we talk is to eliminate the risk for the individual through transfer the risk devices and reduces the aggregate amount of risk in the economy by sustaining the certain cost for uncertain losses. Whenever the activities are performed in the firm and those activities may related to any kind of dangerous activity, that is the causes of fire or the causes of theft or the causes of any kind of damage. So to eliminate those kind of risk and to transfer the risk, the particular client get the insurance to reduce the aggregate amount of risk in the economy and by sustaining the certain amount of cost in the form of premium. That particular amount of premium is paid by the particular client, and at the time of loss from that particular premium, a particular amount is given to the client for the purpose of recovering of that loss. The next one is the insurance give medical support to the society. So many of the insurance companies must ensure that their workers with the medical insurance. Whenever the organization performing the certain kind of activities, and for performing that kind of activities, the number of workers are required within the organization. So most of the companies providing the insurance policies to their number of workers. A medical insurance is the most essential that is required in the managing the risk of health. What kind of risk of health these factors are included? It may include fall or ill or any victim that is suffering from any kind of critical disease unexpectedly. For recovering from these kind of diseases, the reason is to opt with the medical insurance. So it is one of the insurance policy that helps to cater for the different types of health risk. Medical insurance involves the different types of health risk that must be fall ill or any kind of victim who is suffering from any dangerous health disease. So it helps in supporting the medical in case of any medical insurance policy. Medical insurance also help in protecting the client or individual from any kind of illness, and companies workers can also get treatments with the medical insurance. In the organization, when company provide the facility to its worker to opt with the medical insurance policy, if in the company the worker who is performing their activity who is suffering from any kind of illness will definitely get the treatment with the medical insurance. With giving the medical support, insurance plays a great role in the society. While adopting the medical policy by the various kinds of workers who work within the organization, they also feel safe that if in future, if they are suffering from any kind of illness or any kind of disease, this policy may help them to recover by providing the financial support to them. So it also plays a very important role in the society. Thank you.